Search an array of objects JavaScript series. In this series, we check how can we search any object by value. In the markup, I write output element h2 with id output. Now go back to the app.js. Let store and item apple stock 5, item banana stock 9, and item cherry stock 0. Then write a function find obj, pass a variable data, which is all data of this particular array object, where we find the by stock or item value of that property of value 590 apple, banana or cherry. Then return the data dot filter obj, where obj equal to that value. Then output dot inner HTML, here we pass the function inside the JSON stringify. Store belong to here. Search in stock where parameters, then 0 val parameters. Let's see the result. We can see here cherry stock 0. Then I'm going to change here 5 and expected return apple. We can see return apple stock 5. Now you're going to change the property name item and search apple. You can see the same result. If I change this thing with cherry, then we can see data is updated. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.